3 weather with Tom Kiffin.
And we're looking at the Michigan Tech webcam here.
Yeah, and right now it's quiet out there, but we also, what it looks like, some patchy fog trying to roll on in here, and some rain showers are possible tonight. I'm not really excited about the chance, but we could also see some patchy fog, and that's between now and tomorrow morning. Where they've seen more than a chance of rain today has been across the central and southern plains. This is the high-resolution radar, and this is a line of thunderstorms going through eastern Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma at the top of your screen right here, and then this is the Red River right here. That's the border between Texas and Oklahoma. Line of storms moving on through. This same storm system is going to pass to our south tomorrow, so we're not expecting any impacts from this storm system. But as we go to our visible satellite picture here, I want to show you a couple of things. One, just the cloud explosion with the storms here on the visible satellite here. Now it's night and you can see the clouds kind of going from white to a navy blue, but look at the explosion here on the dry line with the storms here. Cloud tops really expanding up high into the atmosphere, 50 to 60,000 feet. But on the backside of it, it's a strong westerly wind. This is a dry line right here. So it's a southeasterly wind coming into Oklahoma. That's the unstable part of the storm system. That's the unstable part of the atmosphere. That's where you get the severe weather and tornadoes. But on the backside, it is a strong westerly wind, and that's behind the dry line, and that's where things are really dry here. And I'll show you a couple of things here. One is a wildfire out in New Mexico, along with blowing dust across the Texas Panhandle. And then what I caught before we went on air here is an actual fire here across northern Texas here. And this is how great satellite technology has become here in the last 10 years. I'll rewind this here in just a second. So we'll start off here 6 hours ago here and watch this fire just go here. It just goes up in flames here as a strong westerly wind takes on over. There's the smoke right there. You can almost see the flame right there on the satellite picture here. And then finally, there's the burn mark right there. So it's just amazing how great satellite technology has become. Let's go to our 906 weather watchers here, and I got to remind you what happened 3 years ago here. This is the WJMN parking lot. On May 2nd, 2019 here, we had a slushy couple of inches here, and you can see the snow, wet snow taking over there. There's Wright Street here. I will say one thing, Becca, what it did benefit me from. My allergies took a break that day. I do remember. I do remember, you know, I was sneezing kind of with the mold, the mud, and the pollen starting to take over. We got that wet 3 to 4 inches of snow, the slush there. My allergies actually took a break, so that was definitely some good news for me that day.
Look at the positives.
Yes, tried to. A silver lining in the cloud there. But Terry Smith here, birds are looking, he said, A-OK, and you can see, I think we got the finch, or we got the birds there, and you can see that the birds are just hanging out in the tree there. Hopefully we can get some spring green up here in the next couple of weeks here, but all the birds gathering at Terry Smith's house in Scandia there, and you can see we got one red finch there on the bird feeder there. Thanks, Terry, for sending that in. If you'd like to send in any of your 906 Weather Watcher photos, feel free to jump on Facebook, check out our 906 Weather Watchers page, and feel free to join as well. We share weather photos, even bird photos, pet photos as well. And I also share updated weather information on our 906 Weather Watchers page. We'd love to have you join. From the 906 Weather Watchers page to our Max computer here, and you can see temperatures are on the chillier side, upper 30s across the interior west, 40s elsewhere. And as we look at officially today at the Weather Service, we had a high temperature of 47 degrees. 39 was today's low temperature. Downtown Marquette at the U.S. Coast Guard, 47 and 36 were the numbers. So future weather here as we go through the rest of the night. Clouds hanging tough. Maybe some spotty rain showers, but really don't count on it. Watch what happens tomorrow afternoon. We dry things out and clear things out as we head into tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. As we look at our community forecast here for the Copper Country, we're looking at low temperatures tonight, right around 34 degrees. Taking into the interior west, we'll check out at 32 for Ironwood, 33 for Iron River, 34 for Crystal Falls, and 37 for Iron Mountain. Into the Keweenaw, or excuse me, we did the Copper Country in Keweenaw. South Central UP, let's try that. 37 degrees for Powers, 37 for Rock, 38 tonight for Manistee, and 37 tonight for Curtis, Seney, and germ fast. Into the eastern UP, we'll have a low temperature tonight of 36 for Newberry, 37 for Grand Marais, and also Munising, 36 for Trinary. And then as we move you into Marquette County tonight, we'll have low temperatures in and along the Marquette Lakeshore of 37 degrees here. And then for Gwin tonight, we're looking at a low temperature of 36, 35 for Ishpeming and also Negaunee. For Marquette tonight, 36 degrees. Tomorrow, we're checking in at 43, 47 for Wednesday. Into the 50s we go for Thursday, Friday, and into the weekend. And then for Escanaba and Gladstone, quick look here, 37 degrees tonight, 50 tomorrow, 53 on Wednesday, 55 on Thursday, 57 degrees for Friday and also Saturday.